Ogbono soup is a hearty, savory soup that is famous for its unique, slightly slimy texture and rich flavor, thanks to the magic of ground ogbono seeds. Packed with delicious meat, leafy greens, and bold spices, it's a comforting meal that brings warmth to the soul. So, whether you're craving authentic African cuisine or just looking to try something new, this recipe will have you hooked from the very first spoonful. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. So stick around because this video is not just about cooking, it's about mastering a beloved Nigerian classic. Plus, I'll share tips and tricks that will make the process easy even if you're a beginner. And by the end, you'll be able to recreate this mouth-watering dish in your own kitchen, impressing friends and family with a true taste of Nigeria. The ingredients for today's recipe are ground ogbono seed, palm oil, onion, ground crayfish, beef, fluted pumpkin, which is commonly known as ugu in Nigeria, smoked fish, bitter leaf, cow skin, which is commonly known as pomo in Nigeria, and beef broth. First of all, mix the ground ogbono in palm oil. This is a crucial step in making ogbono soup because the palm oil not only enhances the rich flavor of the soup, but also helps the ogbono dissolve properly. The ground ogbono has a natural thickening property that gives the soup its characteristic slimy texture. And so by combining it with hot palm oil, you're allowing it to break down smoothly, ensuring it blends evenly into the soup without forming lumps. Once the ogbono has been thoroughly mixed with the palm oil, add the bowl of the mixture to hot water or broth. You can also choose to put the mixture in an oven or into a microwave. This process softens the mixture and activates the oils, allowing it to blend smoothly when added to the soup. But be careful not to overheat it. Just warm it enough so that the palm oil melts and the ogbono begins to break down. This step ensures that the mixture will dissolve evenly, preventing lumps and giving the soup that perfect velvety texture. After seasoning and boiling the beef or whatever protein you choose to use the beef broth as a flavorful base for the soup. Ogbono seeds are packed with nutrients. They are high in healthy fat, fiber, and protein, making it not just delicious but also nutritious. Add pepper, add the onion, add the beef or whatever protein you decide to use, add some ground crayfish, and allow to simmer on low heat. Ogbono soup is a versatile dish. While it is commonly made with assorted meat, you can also make a vegetarian version. Simply use vegetable broth and load it with different vegetables for a plant-based alternative. Ogbono is known by different names in various languages and cultures. In some places, it is referred to as wild mango or African mango, highlighting its regional importance. Add some seasoning powder and stir to combine. While ogbono soup is primarily associated with Nigerian cuisine, it has gained popularity in other West African countries and among the African diaspora, making it a well-loved dish worldwide. Next, gradually add the ogbono mixture. Stir continuously as you add it to avoid lumps and to ensure it dissolves evenly. The soup will begin to thicken as the ogbono activates. Add the smoked fish. There are various cooking methods for ogbono soup, including using a stovetop or an electric pressure cooker. Each method can yield a slightly different texture and flavor, making it fun to experiment. Although this is optional, but if you want, you can add okra. Adding okra to ogbono soup gives the dish extra texture and flavor, and it complements the natural sliminess of the ogbono. The flavor of ogbono soup can vary widely depending on the ingredients used. Some people prefer a spicier version with peppers, while others enjoy it mild, allowing the taste of the ogbono to shine through. Once the soup has thickened to your liking, add the leafy vegetables. You can choose to use whatever leafy vegetable you prefer. But here I used bitter leaf and I also used the fluted pumpkin, which is also known as ugu. The leafy vegetables add freshness and color to the soup. Ogbono has a unique ability to thicken soups without the need for flour or starch. This makes it a great option for those looking to create a hearty soup without gluten. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning as needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or crayfish to enhance the flavor. Here are some tips for making ogbono soup. 1. Choose fresh, high-quality ground ogbono seeds. If possible, grind the seeds yourself for the best flavor and texture. 2. Balance the ingredients. Be mindful of the ratio between ogbono, palm oil, and broth. Too much ogbono can make the soup too thick, while too little can make it too watery. Start with a small amount and adjust based on your desired consistency. There you have it! Your delicious ogbono soup with okra is ready to be enjoyed. The rich blend of flavors, the perfect thickness, and the added freshness from the okra create a truly satisfying dish. But let's talk about the best part. What do you love to enjoy your ogbono soup with? For me, it's all about the perfect pairing. Some people swear by the classic combo of pounded yam, which is soft and smooth, to soak up all this rich, thick goodness. Others are all about fufu, whether it's cassava or plantain, with its slightly firmer texture that balances the soup's savory flavors. Then, of course, there's eba, made from gari, which is quick, easy, and a favorite for many. But, everyone's got their go-to. Do you like adding extra spice? Maybe some people toss in extra crayfish or dried fish for that bold, smoky flavor. Or do you keep it simple and just let the ogbono and meat shine? Well, please share what you love pairing your ogbono soup with in the comments. Is it all about that rich, stretchy texture with a soft swallow, or do you mix it up with something more adventurous? Let's keep the conversation going. I'm so excited to hear your favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you feel confident about making this dish at home. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you next time.